Thinking about buying a cordless electric drill or electric screwdriver, but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the perfect tool can be challenging. Some people prioritize maximum power and torque, while others look for compact designs, longer battery life, or the best value for money. In today's video, I've researched and analyzed customer reviews, ratings, features, and overall performance to bring you the top 5 best cordless electric drills and screwdrivers. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, homeowner, mechanic, or professional contractor, this guide will help you find the perfect tool for your projects. Be sure to watch until the end to discover which model offers the best overall performance and value. Item number 5. The CHIGO 18V Brushless Cordless Drill is a powerful and lightweight tool designed for both DIY enthusiasts and everyday home projects. Its high-performance brushless motor delivers up to 80 Newton-meters of torque with a 1600 RPM no-load speed, providing smooth, efficient drilling and screw driving. Weighing only 1.2 kilograms, it's easy to handle during extended use. The 10mm chuck, rechargeable Li-ion battery, and compact design offer excellent convenience and portability. If you want reliable power, long-lasting performance, and great value in one cordless drill, the CHIGO is definitely worth considering. Item number 4. The WORX WX242 4V Smart Cordless Electric Screwdriver is the perfect companion for home DIY projects and everyday repairs. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers up to 8 Newton-meters of torque with 7 adjustable torque levels for precise control. The 320 RPM speed, USB Type-C rechargeable 2-amp-hour battery, and 30-piece bit set make it ready for almost any task. Weighing just 320 grams, it's compact, comfortable, and easy to use. With built-in LED lighting, forward-reverse control, and torque memory, the WX242 offers smart performance in a portable design. Item number 3. The DEWALT DCF887 20-volt brushless impact driver is built for users who need exceptional power and professional-grade performance. Delivering an impressive 205 Newton-meters of torque, it easily handles demanding fastening and drilling tasks with speed and precision. Its brushless motor provides greater efficiency, longer runtime, and extended tool life compared to traditional motors. Designed for use with DEWALT 20-volt batteries, this cordless impact driver offers outstanding reliability for contractors, mechanics, and serious DIY users. If you want maximum power, durability, and trusted DEWALT quality, the DCF887 is an excellent choice. Item number 2. The WORX 4V Mini Electric Screwdriver Set is a compact and versatile tool designed for precision work, home repairs, and DIY projects. Powered by a USB rechargeable battery, it comes with a 30-piece bit set to handle a wide variety of tasks. Choose from 3 models: the WX240 Standard, WX241 upgraded with LED light and quick-release chuck, or the WX242 Ultimate for maximum convenience. Its lightweight, ergonomic design ensures comfortable operation, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, portable, and easy-to-use electric screwdriver. Item number 1. The PATUOPRO 2-in-1 Cordless Electric Drill is a powerful, brushless tool built for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Delivering up to 100 Newton-meters of torque with a 2-speed transmission and a 10mm chuck, it handles drilling and screw driving with ease. Compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries, it features a durable full-metal bearing system, an ergonomic anti-slip grip, built-in LED work light, and an efficient cooling design for extended use. Whether you're installing furniture, drilling into wood or metal, or tackling home renovations, the PATUOPRO offers reliable power, precision, and outstanding value.